Alright, we're recording. Stop spitting in the box.
Okay. So,
wait a minute.
what?
Wait a minute, Mommy's gotta do something with her phone.
Just slice them up.
Slice them up.
Slice
Say
them up.
hello.
Hello. Hello. We have one there, camera there, and a camera there. So we
got our first snack crate, and we're really excited, aren't we, guys?
Japanese snack. Yeah. I was dying to open this yesterday. Can I try to open it? What's gonna happen? Okay.
Who's gonna open it up?
Me. Can I? Can I since I'm the oldest? Can I open it since I'm the
Open it
oldest?
up. Somebody open it up.
I want to. Wait.
Shh.
Look, David.
You don't have
David
to.
and Corley can both. I'm good. Here is the David. Wait. The ultimate snack you can eat. Gnocchi.
Okay.
I want
More
Hold
on the
on.
tree.
Hold on.
Wait, David.
Go hit the
Hold
tree.
on.
I'm gonna take Mommy. Mom, I think you guys need this. Mommy, I'm
Yeah,
gonna
hold on.
try.
Okay, so
Wait,
our
David.
first
stop.
one
Okay,
Put
so
it back.
Japanese snack.
Go ahead.
Swampy quantity.
are these taco
Quantity.
chippies. Do I have to try to read the Japanese? I'll just show the picture. A Japanese spin on a Mexican cuisine. These crunchy corn tortilla chips have a unique, tangy, and savory flavor, boasting hints of fresh salsa.
I don't know. I don't want to eat it.
You're not gonna try it.
You're gonna eat them all.
Everything.
You wanna try the test? You're gonna try
Your
everything.
daddy open them up.
Just that simple.
With the knife. With the knife. With the knife. Let me smell them. Let me smell them. Let me
That
smell
smells
them.
good, actually.
Let me smell.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want to try it. I don't
Eat one. Here, you can have a little piece. Here,
Oh.
I'll give you a full piece.
Okay, Coral.
No, you gotta eat that. You tasted it. I ain't gonna. No one else gonna eat it now.
Spicy.
That's a waste of food.
It's good. What do you mean it's spicy?
Really?
That's
the
not
first
spicy.
Oh,
little,
stop it.
first little chip.
It's like a Dorito.
I know.
It's like a taco Dorito. That's delicious.
Ah, spicy. Oh.
That's good. Okay.
I want to try.
It even got like a corn aftertaste.
Yeah.
That's good. I'm going for this one. Put that one back.
All right, what's that one?
I want to try strawberry thingy. Mom, all I'm excited is for this.
Delicious
guava.
Stick is a puffed corn snack with a perfect amount
That's what I
of
call
crunch,
this one,
available
Laura.
in many flavors. We've included a few of our
Popcorn
favorites
snack.
for
You can't
to
even
try.
see on my phone.
I can.
The glare.
All right.
The glare.
Oh well.
Now, this one's a different.
What are we? What
We're
are these places?
excited.
What is this place called? What is this from again?
Japanese. Japan.
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 We're eating some Japan snacks.
Japan. Snacks.
Ooh, look at
Oh,
it.
that looks good.
Whoa.
Everybody take a bite.
No, I'm gonna cut. That's why I got the knife out, so I can cut off a little
That's
pieces
why you
of
got
it.
the knife. Okay, we're gonna need some napkins.
Look at
No.
all this awesome stuff in here, though.
There's more under
We'll get to it.
And there is something.
Here you go.
It
All
looks
right.
like poop.
There you go.
David.
It looks like it.
Here you go.
Wait. Ready? Set, go.
See, that's my taste test dummy boy right there.
Look at Coral.
That's good.
Look, you got a negative outlook. Just put it in your mouth, eat it.
Just try it.
That's good.
You're thinking everything's gonna be nasty. Just put it in your mouth and eat it.
That's good. I give it 2 thumbs up.
All right.
Okay.
I didn't try it, but they say it's good.
Try
so I'm
it.
gonna-
2
2 thumbs up.
Whatever this is. It's tasty.
I got a little sweetness to it. You good?
Oh, it tastes like.
You guys like it?
You want
Yeah,
that
the
piece?
taste is not good, but the rest
All
is
right.
You want that piece?
Here's the
Anybody?
next one.
No.
The same
No.
kind of little
Well, obviously it wasn't that good. Nobody wants the last piece.
Corley was reaching for
Same
it.
kind of thing,
You want
but this is a different flavor.
Oh, Carly wants it. All right.
What flavor is that? My turn.
I don't know. Japanese. I
Japanese.
can tell.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah.
The Japan thing.
Damn thing won't open up.
Come on.
Okay.
Nice work.
Good night.
Maybe we should learn a little about Japan while we're waiting.
What is this one? This one looked like a big old cheese puff.
Oh my goodness, let's see
It's
it.
a big Cheeto.
It does look like a big Cheeto.
Mm-hmm.
Like one of those, like an oversized, like Andy Caps. Remember those? Like the Cheeto French fry straws or whatever?
Yeah.
No,
I
no,
know.
I don't want it. No.
Here, you ate the last one. Here, everybody's gonna try one. Don't tell me no. Just say ah.
Nope.
No?
Ah.
Don't taste like
I mean, it's not bad.
It's like a garlicky.
It's just different.
It's like a garlicky cheese puff.
Definitely not cheese. I don't even think it's cheese.
All right, everybody ate it except for me, mommy, and little
So
Dave.
that was
ate
a
it,
no.
so-
Let's have another taco chip. Alright,
No.
should we get into something sweet?
All right.
Yeah. No,
Oh my God, this is
Hold on.
like the same thing but chocolatey.
the nothing.
Maybe it's chocolatey. Let's look at it.
I don't know.
Want the nothing. The one is not.
Looks like a chocolate bar.
Bless you, buddy.
No.
Oh no, it's coated with brown sugar.
Ooh, brown sugar.
I want.
It's like a big Rice Krispie treat with brown sugar.
What does it look like in the
It's
inside?
fried wheat and coated with brown sugar.
Fried
What does it
wheat
look like on the inside?
coated with brown sugar.
I want to see what it looks like in the inside.
It sounds like styrofoam.
Yeah.
I was about to say that. I'm like, it sounds so much like styrofoam.
I think
Sounds like he's cutting a
I
brick
think
of
they're garbage.
styrofoam.
That looks like styrofoam.
No, it's fried wheat.
Mine. I already got mine. I want it.
You're gonna eat it, buddy. You're here for the test.
It feels like styrofoam.
See, now my test dummy's giving up. I'm getting
That's
too much fancy
good.
now.
No.
It's chocolate. It's
Oh,
yummy.
wow.
Trust me. It's really good. Look, everybody's saying it's
Wow.
That is
Here.
really different.
That's weird.
That's
good.
It's like crunchy,
really good. Bite.
really crunchy on
You
the
know what it
outside,
tastes
but
like,
it's
Mom?
like it's like cotton candy in the middle.
It tastes like those you know those
That's sweet.
bars you
That's
always
good.
get. It tastes like nothing in
For real. Bite it.
Tastes
Bite
like
a little
nothing.
corner of it, buddy.
Give it a try, buddy.
Bite that corner. Yeah. Now, see? Real sweet, yummy.
Hey, if you don't
Yeah,
want
see?
to
Thumbs up. Yeah, that's what I thought.
that's good.
Okay.
That is really good, actually.
Most of them like this one. Oh, we.
Everybody liked that one.
Give.
But you said you liked it.
It's good, but I don't. Yes.
No.
No, we're not going with the watermelon
No?
yet. Because obviously, you know, everybody's going to like watermelon gummy
This
fruits. Everybody's going to like these right here. We're not going for the lights.
Yes.
We're going for the weird.
No.
I don't even know what those are, but we going for weird.
No.
And we're going to get to the good stuff eventually. Right now, we're trying all the different
Oh,
stuff.
this is the. I remember.
Like the wasabi.
No, it's not the
these
wasabi we thought it
Crunchy
was.
nuggets have a salty soybean flavor mixed perfectly with just the right amount of roasted almonds. That's served with a frosty beverage. They suggest a beer.
I
I even on the cover.
like it.
Yeah.
I don't know why this is easy. I'm good.
It's something you're going to eat. Here's one. Here's one. Here's one.
I
What?
don't even like the taste. It tastes like sugar. It's salty.
It looks like
Let's chew it up.
it
You
looks
never
like
know.
a little cat.
It might be salty in the beginning, but then it turned out to be sweet in the middle.
That actually tastes pretty good.
That's pretty good.
That is
Kind of
good.
tastes like a leaf.
I say
It's got a little aftertaste
right.
of a leaf.
no. I say honestly right. It does
It's kind of earthy, huh?
Yeah, what's that?
I'm thirsty. It tastes like a fat
A fart.
It's got some milk.
David.
That's weird.
I need some milk.
You might need some beers with this.
Yeah, I could see that
Tastes
going
like
with a
leaf.
beer. Washing that sucker
It's
down.
not-
I thought it was gonna be like those corn nuts.
You know what, Corley? It tastes like
Mommy.
those sugar snap pea things.
Yeah.
The puffy
Oh,
ones, the puffy.
Mommy.
Yeah, and you didn't even try it. See, if you would have chewed it up, come on. Chew it up and eat it all the way, then you'll have a different flavor instead
Alright.
of just a little bit of
What's
salt.
next?
Can I pick? Hey. It doesn't taste like anything like it.
Keep chewing it up. You'll taste it eventually. You can taste some flavor
Yeah,
eventually.
We're doing Fretz.
Look at Coralie's face
Pretz,
again.
tomato.
Always with the weird faces. Anything she tries. Unless it's coated in sugar, then she won't have a problem.
Alright, go sit down. We're
All
gonna
right.
try these.
A
ones.
kind
Real
of
good.
goes
Sit
down,
down.
kind of goes up. In the middle. It's in the middle. Okay. I'm working on another one of these.
Alright, what we doing? Some pretzels now?
Yes, not a pretzel, it's a pretz.
Pretz.
I wanna
Tomato
try
pretz.
Slightly salty, but always crunchy biscuit sticks are bursting with the fresh.
Oh, I'm gonna ruin this. How am I supposed to open
flavoring
this?
of ripe tomato.
That.
Oh yeah, there's like a process to it, isn't there?
Yeah, so that you can. So we pull them out. Oh, there's 2 packs of them. Pull them out. And you gotta like cave in. Push here. Pull here.
Mommy.
And.
Hold on, buddy.
Oh,
I think we should do these gummy things at the end.
Oh, so it like is a stand for 'em or
yeah, so you
something?
like rip off the top here.
Sure.
Wow. Don't poke the Pretz.
I'm gonna poke all the frets.
Don't poke the Pretz. I want to eat
Cut
stuff.
it like that, and then you put it in like that. Oop, come on, get in there.
The
So
pretzel.
then now everybody's got a little snack table. See, snack table.
Give me.
A little snack table.
I can't get it.
A little
Oh, I got
snack
it.
table.
What do they smell like, Mom?
Tomato. It's tomato flavor.
Give me another one.
A snack table.
Oh, Coralie likes it.
Mm.
Oh, well, I got the short one.
Oh my God! I found 4.
You got the shaft. Here you go.
It's supposed to be this long.
Well, obviously you
I
like
got
them if you
four.
got that many at one
They're
time.
like thin little
Veggie sticks, I told you, they're gonna be like.
breadsticks. No,
Oh,
they
they're
taste
like
like those
breadsticks?
little breadsticks
Yeah.
you get in the little plastic packages, like with your soup at the restaurant.
Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Except they're tomato flavored.
I'm gonna eat
And
all
thinner.
of
Okay,
these.
a good picture. Or,
Way
Daddy, Mommy,
yeah, there we go.
Mommy.
Huh.
Here you go, guys. Can I eat all these? Can I
Oh,
pick
no,
all
no.
these?
Yeah,
Yeah,
there you
maybe
go.
I like
the
that
next
one.
No,
Okay, so the pretz.
A pets are
That's a winner.
500 thumbs up.
Okay.
Alright.
Is this another Pretz?
Ooh.
I want a bit. You put it. Yeah.
Ooh.
No!
So now, this one,
No!
it said, stop. On this one, it said on the instructions that these are gumballs. But
Yeah.
one of these gumballs, these are gumballs, but one of these gumballs have a extreme sour in them. We're just showing my YouTube the backside of what's hey guys.
Sorry.
Hi.
Jam packed with
Hi.
Oh,
So these.
beware. One of the 3 pieces has been spiked with an intense sour flavor. Okay.
I got the sour
so
one.
what is there? 3 in there?
Well, we can't tell you if it's sour one, but
We're just gonna give.
we'll figure out which one of you are gonna be eating the sour one.
What if we don't eat the sour?
Oh, they're all identical too.
Oh no!
Oh yeah.
They're all identical little candy balls. So you ain't gonna tell until they get to the middle of it.
I want the middle.
Okay.
I want the
Listen, we're gonna go with the youngest to pick first. He says middle, right? So
Don't put it
he
in your
gets
mouth
middle.
yet.
Don't put it in your mouth yet. You get this one, and then you get this one.
Let's
Hey,
see.
it sucks to be the oldest sometimes.
Mine looks like a lemon.
All right.
Count of
All right.
3.
1, 2.
3.
All right, wait, just chew it, bite it all the way, buddy.
Anybody get the
Mine's
super
right.
sour flavor yet?
Okay, one's regular.
Mine.
We got some sour. Weird faces going on over here.
Oh,
That's extremely sour, and she's doing that because she likes sour stuff.
Yeah,
And she was screaming, "Give it to me!"
If you're still
Whoa.
out there, this is a
Alright.
monthly subscription.
It
Here,
tastes
this
like
is our
gum.
first one. Our
Really?
first
Okay.
one we got is
good.
Japan.
All right, you good now? Ward off.
I probably meant to.
All right, we're gonna try another.
It's gum. You don't
It
swallow
wasn't gum. You're not supposed to swallow it.
I'm
Turkey.
not feeling my eyes.
All right, so now we got another one. It's like a high chew. I don't know if it's gum or like now and later's or.
Good.
It's gum. It's gum.
That was
sour.
It tasted
weird.
Oh yeah, I forgot we
It
have.
tasted.
It's like a high chew, something delicious.
Mine was.
I bet it feels like it's like
Spicy.
chewy.
Mine
known
tasted
for Having the perfect balance of fruitiness, juiciness, and creaminess, this popular item quickly became the best-selling candy in Japan.
What's those candies that you get at the store and they're just like that where it's
Now
like
and laters.
fruity? No, not now and later. The other ones.
Mamba.
Yeah, the Mamba. Them joints are good.
Mamba,
All
All
right.
right, let's see.
That's kind of weird. They all come in the same package.
We know
Mine.
these are.
I want to have that one. I want
These
to
are gonna be banging. I know
I was
these are
gonna
gonna
say,
be
you
banging.
know we're gonna
give
like
me.
it.
Give me.
Just depends on what flavor you get. Because if you get the wrong one, then oops.
No,
Might not be
there's
as
not a
good.
surprise one, right? They're
No,
just
there's
different
not.
flavors.
They're just different flavors of juices and fruitiness.
Oh, mine's
Delicious.
purple. Mine's purple.
Oh, so it's all.
they're
It's
all
a great
purple.
pack. I bet.
Oh yeah, I bet
They
it's
have
like
white on the
very-
inside.
Oh, let me see that again.
Hmm.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. What's the matter over there, Coralie? You always a weird face.
It's not hard. It's like chewy, like a.
It tastes like
Gummy bear kind of.
spiciness.
Oh, it smells like cat pee.
It tastes
What
like
the hell are you smelling?
Let me smell.
It does. It smells like.
Nothing smells like
It smells
cat
like
food.
nothing.
She should know. She smells. She cleans the litter box.
I don't like that. I feel like I'm eating a litter box.
No, you just got a whiff of the litter box, probably.
No, I'm eating a litter
box. No.
Oh, pretty
I
good.
don't like that. Or like soap or something. Is there lavender in it?
I don't know, but those are really good.
I don't like that at
It
all.
tastes like normal.
That was terrible.
Give me. Mine. It tastes like gum.
Okay, well, you guys are weird.
No, you're the weird one with cat litter and you biting gum, you juicy, fruity stuff. What
I want these.
type of nonsense is that?
Oh, I want them
Alright, it says chocolate bowl.
Choco ball.
Chocolate ball.
Well, David didn't like it either.
Chocolate
I
ball.
can
I like
only
mine.
answer.
I just.
It was delicious.
I liked it.
They're all liars.
I want it.
Alright, you
Choco
can keep
peanut.
it.
Yes.
It's delightfully chocolate covered peanut.
Alright, chocolate covered peanuts, guys.
Check out peanuts.
Just as much
Mine.
fun to play, but don't
Here.
play with them.
Those are all for you because I don't like peanuts.
Give me. Ew. Wait, nope.
You like them?
There's the inside.
Oh, Coralie was like, give me, and then, no, I don't like that, and he's going, up. We got another spitter.
Oh God.
Come on, Coralie, why would you hit this?
I want it.
It was an accident.
No, it was not.
That's good.
She did it on purpose.
There we go, Pete.
That was good. I like that one.
Delicious.
She did because she ran around and slapped the table, slapped the chair.
We have somebody going to the bathroom, so we'll be back, I think. Or we're
Plenty of
just gonna
space.
keep going.
I'm just gonna
Let's
keep
keep going.
recording.
Okay.
We'll just wait. No, we're not gonna eat any. We're just gonna
All
have to
right.
wait.
We'll be back, friends.
Wait.
I don't know why you're leaving. You just keep talking and bullshit.
No.
I
Because
want these
everybody's
also.
starting to yell. and-
Mommy. That's one. Because these are good.
I don't care.
Here, Mom. More candy from my pocket.
Luna gets to them, you're never getting candy from us again. That's how that works.
Wait, they're from the same company.
I like
All right,
it.
we're waiting for potty break girl.
No. I love the high chews. These were amazing. Like the fight.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
And
What
these
is
are
terrible?
super good. Mrs. Cat litter.
Yeah.
Mommy, that tastes like stupid farts.
Yeah.
Hey, no, the farts are not stupid. They just stink.
Thanks.
All right,
All
we're
right.
going back.
I want to pick that one.
All right, we're gonna go with the sour gummies.
Sour? No.
We're doing the sour gummies now.
No.
Okay.
PP girl's back from her potty break.
You're a baby girl.
Are these the watermelon ones?
No,
there's
these are
watermelon.
the
What'd you
sour
say, the
ones.
sour?
The blue ones.
Oh, there it is.
No, the blue
The
ones.
Kame. I feel like I'm.
Come.
Inspired by the delicious Japanese soda.
It's like the soda of gummy
Kami
bears.
Kami
It
is
has
a
a delightful
Japanese
slushy sourness followed by a fizzy
Mine.
sweetness. If this tastes like cat litter again,
Mine.
I'm gonna be very upset.
If you taste that litter, then it's in your mouth.
It's a turtle.
It's a turtle. Eat the turtle.
Come on, focus.
Come on.
Well, it's a little turtle shape. That doesn't.
Blech.
Oh, there we go.
I'm about to say, that's you.
What do you think?
Nope.
I don't like this one.
It tastes like Dr. Pepper a little bit.
This one tastes like soap to
It
me.
tastes like that.
No, yeah, it tastes like.
No, this
soda.
tastes like soap.
I like
That one's not soap. Ooh. Oh. It's like
I like that.
It really does taste like some kind of a soda, some kind of top.
Not good
I
to me.
can't.
Oh no.
Well, my
so-
finger-
That's the first one that I spit out because
Oh,
that tastes like
now
soap to me.
the soap's hitting me. Oh,
Oh, little man spit it out.
Oh, here comes Car.
Here they all
There
go.
goes
That's
Little
the
Pig.
soap. There's the
I
soap.
thought it was good.
I taste salt.
Yeah, but
I
you taste
taste-
cat litter on the one everybody else likes.
It was
I
terrible.
taste salt.
I'm still
Stop.
eating the taco chips.
All right.
This should be for last because you gotta make those. This is mine.
All right, whatever.
What else do we have?
We got the fork, the
Hold on.
Kit Kat.
stop.
Kit Kat. Kit Kat. Kit
We
Kat.
got
Yeah, but
knockoff
these are different
version.
flavors. They're not knockoff. They're just different flavors.
I agree that they're not.
No, they said that they have 50 something,
No, 300.
300 different flavors in China. Or in, yeah.
Who was in Japan? Jessica.
Me.
300 different flavors in Japan. That is ridiculous.
One of my music
I was in
teachers
Japan
was in
too.
Japan.
Okay, chill out, homies.
Mini Kit Kats. Unlike their U.S. counterpart, Kit
Your
Kats in
farts.
Japan are offered in stop. Over 300 unique flavors. We've included a sampling of our favorites.
flavors. This is their favorites. I'm thinking strawberry or like a
And
cherry.
mochi. And
Mochi.
mochi.
And I don't know what this one is, but I'm
I
thinking
think that the green one
wasabi.
is matcha.
I'm trying
I
to
think it's
pick one.
wasabi.
It's not.
I'm trying to try the green one.
I'm trying the green one.
All right,
Okay,
relax.
back up.
You
Relax.
You're on your side of the table. You sit down. We don't stand in chairs.
I mean,
Thank
I
you.
sit. I'm gonna put down here.
Way too excited.
I did anyone that bowl.
All right, we're gonna try this pink
Pink one
foreign
first.
Kit Kat. Ooh, it's warm.
It's warm.
I held it in my hand too long. Hard because it was on top of the fridge.
Oh yeah.
Here. Ah,
Okay, here's the pink Kit
Ah.
Kat. We're not even really sure what.
we don't even know what it is. What?
It's in
You just don't
Japanese.
eat it.
That's strawberry. Strawberry, definitely. Mhm.
Is it
I
good?
don't know. That's good.
I like it.
Little tiny piece for mommy.
It tastes like
Okay.
sugar.
Yeah, well,
Tastes like
it's
strawberry.
candy, but.
It's not normal strawberry.
Ooh.
No.
It's got like little hints of salt.
Sour, sweet, saltiness, strawberryness.
Maybe that's the wafer.
No, it's like a salty,
Like
Alright.
a
sweet.
Now we're going
It's kinda
to-
good.
Guys,
It's pretty good.
I hit like
I would
the
buy that
weird
on the
flavor
normal.
right in the middle. Like
Hey, buddy.
I roped up.
No more spitting nothing. That was a good thing. And if you spit
It's
that out,
all
now
in.
you're just being
I'm
silly.
not sure. Oh.
It don't say. It says it, but it's like
Who don't?
we don't know what that says. Come on, who can tell what those letters are? Nobody. Nobody on our sites.
I can.
Nobody on our Facebook.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
I can.
What?
Jessica.
Oh well.
She
Tell us what the
is
fuck
a-
these words mean.
All right, let's see.
What's that mean? Right there.
No, she's not. Okay, come on. Let's just eat it. I think this one's
I think
matcha.
they're different on the bottom. That's why I
don't
said
think
that.
that's
See?
matcha.
I think that's wasabi.
It's not. I better
It's
not.
wasabi.
And if it is, I hope
No,
you eat
no,
the whole
no,
thing.
no, no.
If it's wasabi, I hope they
Here you
shove
go.
it down his throat.
Come on. Come on.
David, what are you doing?
Kit Kat's always gonna be good.
That's
Here.
matcha. Oh, well,
Do you know what matcha
Even
is?
if it's Chinese Kit Kats, they're gonna be
Japanese.
delicious.
It's Japanese.
Oh, Japanese. I don't know. Sorry.
That actually.
Here.
It does look weird, right?
Yeah, it's pretty weird looking. Green. Kit
I'm getting
Kat.
to taste the earth now.
Is it
It's
earthy?
like salt in it.
Yes.
Oh.
No.
It
This
tastes like
is not
nothing.
mixed at all.
It tastes like nothing.
Nothing. Corey, Armour, swallow that.
Keep it. Keep it in. Yeah.
It's not a big deal.
It's